Hi everyone and welcome. In the previous video we have covered that how you can establish the MQTT communication with A9G board by sending the AT command from the AI Thinker serial tool. Okay, so we were using the GPRS connectivity inside the A9G board to connect with the MQTT broker, and then after we were publishing the data to MQTT broker, and with the help of this MQTT client software, MQTT Explorer, we were reading those data. Okay, now in this video what we are going to do is, instead of publishing the data, we are going to subscribe to one topic and we will receive the update in the A9G board for that topic. Okay, so how you can do that? So we are also going to do the same thing with the AT command only. Okay, we are not going to use the Wi-Fi internet, we are not going to use the Ethernet internet, we are going to use the cellular internet, which is provided by the SIM card. Okay, so I have attached the SIM card on the back side of this A9G board. So we were using the GPRS connectivity of that SIM card, and then after we will connect to MQTT broker, and after that we will subscribe to one topic and we will receive update of that topic in the A9G board, and with the serial monitor or with the AI Thinker serial tool we can read those data. Okay, you can also connect this A9G board with the Python or Node-RED to read those subscribed messages. So let's see how you can do that. So I have created a one blog for you in which I have explained everything step by step, that how you have to connect this USB to serial converter with the A9G board and how to power up your A9G board using this micro USB cable. Okay, so if your A9G board is not powering up with this CP2102 module, then you can attach this micro USB cable to power up your A9G board, and then after you can send the AT command to this A9G board using this USB to serial converter. Okay, so first of all, to connect with the MQTT broker, we have to use the GPRS connectivity option of this A9G board. Okay, so first let me disconnect the A9G board from my system, and I'm going to connect this A9G board again. Okay, now we are going to use the AI Thinker serial tool. Okay, and we will open the serial port from this software and we will send AT command. Okay, and we should receive OK response. Okay, so the board is initialized and it is ready to use. Okay, and it is responding us. Now we are going to activate the GPRS. Okay, so we are going to use this command to activate the GPRS inside this A9G board. Okay, so I'm going to type the AT command here and we will send it. You can see we have response. Okay, so GPRS connectivity on. Now we will set the access point name. So you have to copy this, you have to paste it here, and then you have to send. We have received the OK response, and then after you have to copy this AT command and you have to paste it here. Okay, you can see again we have received the OK response, means everything is good. Now we are going to connect with the MQTT broker. So first of all, you have to provide the MQTT broker IP address or the host name. Then after you have to provide the broker port number. This is the client ID. This is the keep alive session time. This is the clean session flag, and here is the username and the password. I don't have any username and password for my broker, so I'm going to leave these two things blank. And for current broker, the port is 16039, so we are going to use this port, and the IP address, or you can say the host ID, is same. So I can copy this, I can paste it here, and I can copy the port number from here and I can paste the port number here. Okay, now we can send it and we should receive the response OK, right? So it is connected to the MQTT broker. So this means that we have used the GPRS connectivity of this A9G board to connect with the MQTT broker, and the broker detail we have provided in this AT command. Okay, so this is how you can connect with any MQTT broker which is available on the internet. So you just have to provide the IP address or the host name of the broker, port number, and you have to send this AT command to the A9G board to connect with that MQTT broker. After connection, either you can use the MQTT publish command or MQTT subscribe command. In the previous video, we have used MQTT publish command to publish the message from the A9G board to MQTT broker. Now in this video, we are going to subscribe to one of the topic and we will receive the updates here in the serial monitor. Okay, so for subscribing, we are going to use this command, AT plus MQTT sub, and which topic we want to subscribe, that we have to justify here, and the QoS level and the retain flag. Okay, So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here, and we have sent it and we have received the OK response. So it's mean that our N9G board has successfully subscribed to the test topic on this broker. Okay, so whatever messages we will receive on the test topic on this broker, we will get it here. So let me open the MQTT Explorer software first. Okay, and we will connect to our broker. We will use the test topic. Okay, as we have described that we are going to subscribe to test topic, so that's why I have to select the test topic here. And just a moment. Okay, now we can send a message from the any MQTT client software to the test topic, and based on the message value you will receive the updates here. So let me select the row and we will send test 1, okay, from MQTT client, and I can publish it from here. You can see MQTT publish test topic, okay, and here is the message which I have published, test 1 from MQTT client. Okay, so this is how you can use N9G board to subscribe to any topic, okay, on the MQTT broker, and whatever message will be published on that topic, N9G board will receive the update, okay, and it will print that thing in the serial monitor. Now you can extract the data from this. Okay, so you have to select this data, that this is the latest message, this is the test topic. Okay, so TEST is the topic and this is the message inside that topic. If I send second message from here, then you will receive the second message. You can see test 2 from MQTT client, and if I send the third, then you can see test 3 from MQTT client. Okay, so whatever messages you will receive from any MQTT client, you will get the update here, and here is the message ID. You can see 1 2 3. Okay, if I send 4, then the next message ID will be 4. If I send any new message, then next message ID will be 5. Okay, I have sent test 6, but this is the 5th message, so it has identified that we have received the 5th message from the same topic, and here you can see we have message ID is 5. Okay, so this is how you can use this N9G board to turn on the GPRS connection, to connect with any cloud or internet MQTT broker, and then after you can subscribe to any topic, and then after you can receive update from that topic in the N9G board. And with the serial connection, you can read that values in any software like Python, Node-RED, this AI Thinker serial tool, or any other software, and then after you can use this data to perform some actions. Okay, if you want to turn on the LED or if you want to turn off the LED based on the message value, then you can set the programming to turn on and turn off the LED based on this message value. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and this is the blog for you for the step-by-step guide that which AT command you have to use for what purpose, and after using all the AT command, this is the result you will get in the AI Thinker serial tool. And here is the MQTT Explorer software, which is client software to publish the data. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, and we have covered the most of the thing related to MQTT and the N9G board, that how you can connect with any MQTT broker using cellular internet and with the help of this N9G board, and after connecting, how you can publish some messages or how you can subscribe to some messages. Okay, so I have already published 2 blogs to publish and subscribe the messages from N9G board. So here is the blog to connect with MQTT broker and to publish the message to MQTT broker, and here is the blog to connect with MQTT broker and to subscribe to any topic and receive the updates from that topic. Okay, so if you still have any question or any doubt, then you can always ping me on Telegram, Instagram, WhatsApp. Okay, and we have covered 2 topics in this series: how to establish MQTT communication with N9G board using AI Thinker serial tool, and how to publish some message to any topic from N9G board. And in this video we have covered that how to subscribe to any MQTT topic and receive updates from that topic. Okay, so if you still have any question or any concern, then you know where to ask. Otherwise, we will meet you in the next video with the new topic. So stay tuned for the next video, and till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.